when his medical condition deteriorating, you personally ensured that he had access to the medical care. We are truly grateful. Your Excellency, of course, we have had our hiccups over the last 9 or 10 years in looking after Mzee. But where we got stuck, the mere threat of suggesting that we are going to give you a call for further guidance would ensure whatever was requested by the family of Mzee done quite expeditiously. Secondly, as a family, we would like to thank His Excellency, the Deputy President, Dr. William Ruto, who has called us and even asked his staff, and they have really sought to help us and to condole with us and to see if we can be of assistance in any way. Thirdly, we'd like to thank the Armed Forces of the Republic of Kenya. When Mzee passed away 1 week ago, last Friday, they took over operation Nairobi Hospital and at Lee Funeral Home. So for us as a family, it was almost like a double loss. We had just lost Mzee, and then an hour later, the military took over Lee Funeral Home, where they prepared him. But I must say, the professionalism and care shown by the armed forces of this country have enabled us to honor him in a way that which we are truly humbled. I have met colonels, I have met brigadiers. Indeed, I have even been saluted by generals. And I remember when I was walking into Parliament buildings where Mzee was lying in state on Tuesday, and I was saluted by so many military officers, I started thinking, wow, is this what it is all about? I can kind of get used to this. Maybe I'll give it a try. But having said that, the military, in their own professional way, because I must say it must be the most professional institution in this country, they have really assisted us to understand that even if Mzee was their commander-in-chief, he was first and foremost our father. So, General Kiboshi, as a family, we say, Asante Sana. Finally, but most importantly, we, the Kibaki family, would like to thank our fellow Kenyan citizens who have come out to honor Mzee, to mourn with us, to grieve with us, to condole with us, and to tell us pole. Kenyans, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, when Mzee was lying in state, and we have listened to stories of how he was their father, their grandfather, somebody they related with, like anyone would relate with a parent or a grandparent. And we realized as a family that the loss was as great for Kenyans as it was for us, and that in its own way comforted us. I remember thinking, at one point, because on Wednesday there were so many people queuing in line, if Mzee was just to wake up for 1 minute I think you'd even wonder, where are all these Kenyans going? Where they are coming to look at me, to see me. Why are they not at work? You know? You'd have probably told us all, wacheni kuregarega na murudi kazini. Because for him, work was very important. If there is one word that can encapsulate the life of President Mwai Kibaki, it is excellence. Mzee lived to excel. From the minute, or should we say the moment he left Gatiaini village in Othaya to begin his education, up to the day he retired as president of this country, that journey has been a journey to excel.